Hey my Jazz fam, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing awesome. So in today's video I am back with in today's video I'm going to be this intro is always difficult for me to manage. Okay, ठीक है चलो. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a very light and natural makeup with you. And in this video I'm going to be using all the products that actually feels very lightweight and comfortable even on the skin. So this makeup look is going to be like super quick, and the makeup that I'm going to be showing you will be like totally natural. Okay, no one can recognize that you're wearing a lot of makeup on your skin. It's because I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks, and I'm going to be sharing what I personally like to do when I want to look natural. So yeah, let's get started. And this makeup look is suitable for all different Indian skin tone. Plus, this makeup is also suitable for Indian climate. Like I live in Bangalore, तो अभी थोड़ी थोड़ी सर्दी सी है मौसम. तो सो गाइज राइट नाउ आई लिव इन बैंगलोर और थोड़ा मौसम जो है काफ़ी चिल्ड है यहाँ पे. इट्स लाइक रेनिंग समटाइम्स. So yeah, let's move on to the makeup look. This is my natural skin, and right now I'm not wearing anything on my skin except the lip balm. I'm wearing this Plum का lip balm, and my skin feels super dry क्योंकि अभी 30 मिनट हो चुके हैं मैंने फेस क्लेंस किया था, and still I haven't applied anything on my skin, so it feels little bit dry. So we will start firstly by skin prep. So yeah, let's get started. Starting up with MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus makeup setting spray. This is so refreshing, especially you can do this step during summers. अगर आपकी स्किन पे एक्ने और पिंपल है या फिर आपकी स्किन बहुत सेंसिटिव है तो आप कोई भी ग्रीन टी वाला फेस मिस्ट या फिर फेस टोनर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अप योर मेकअप. यू नीड टू डू दिस स्टेप ऑन योर क्लीन एंड ड्राई फेस. और अभी स्किन में एक जान सी आ जाती है अगर आप अपने फेस को हाइड्रेट करते हो. स्किन फील्स लाइक मोर रिफ्रेश्ड और थोड़ी प्लम हो जाती है, थोड़ी जूसी दिखने लगती है. सो नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग दिस कलर बार ब्लू लाइट डिफेंस मॉइस्चराइजर. It's a gel based moisturizer and feels really lightweight on the skin. This moisturizer is suitable for dry to like oily skin, dry skin, every skin type people can use this one. This also helps to blend my makeup very smoothly, so I prefer to use it underneath my makeup most of the time. फटाफट से blend कर लेती हूँ क्योंकि स्किन जो है वो काफ़ी ड्राई हो चुकी है मेरी. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाएगी तो फिर तो ड्राई पैचेस आने लगेंगे. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मॉइस्चराइज द स्किन. मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा के मैं 5 मिनट छोड़ दूँगी अपने स्किन को. So after 5 minutes of my moisturizer, I'm going to be using this Color Bar facial oil. This one is Color Bar Dry Cellular Moisture Boosting Treatment. This is like a facial oil which you can use. If you have oily skin, then guys you have to use only 1 drop of it. If you are into the dry skin, then you can use max to max 2 drops. Otherwise it can make your skin a little more oily, so you don't need to apply too much of this product. I always prefer to apply, most of the time I prefer to apply the facial oil over my moisturizer, and the reason is that it helps to lock the moisture for the entire day. So 1 drop, and this one is the second drop. That's it. I'm not going to use too much of the oil. ऐसे करके वार्म अप कर लेना है और बहुत लाइटली ऐसे ऐसे करके पैट करके आपको अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करना है, जिससे कि आप अपने मॉइस्चराइज़र के ऊपर एक लेयर क्रिएट कर रहे हो इस फेशियल ऑयल की. लेट मी जस्ट पुट माय हेयर बैक. इट्स डिस्टर्बिंग. एंड नेक्स्ट आई विल अप्लाई माय सनस्क्रीन. दिस वन इज फ्रॉम लैक्मे, and we must leave the sunscreen for 10 minutes at least on the skin. देख सकते हो, this also adds glow on my skin. Some more glow, I'm going to be using this liquid blush, like sorry, it's a highlighter. So I'm going to be using this beautiful rose gold kind of gel based highlighter on my skin for a really nice healthy glow. बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में आपको अप्लाई करना है अगर आप डेली मेकअप कर रहे हो. अगर आप पार्टी मेकअप कर रहे हो तो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग, अपने आउटफिट के अकॉर्डिंग अप्लाई कर सकते हो. तो ये सारे एरियाज़ पे मैं टारगेट कर रही हूँ। लाइक इसको जब इस हाइलाइटर को जब आप ब्लेंड करते हो तो ये आपकी स्किन के साथ बहुत ब्यूटीफुली मेल्ट हो जाती है। ओके और ये जब हाइलाइटर आप इसको सेट करते हो तो दिस appears like it sets into matte finish, so it's very long lasting as well, it's not greasy or something. So guys you can see, so guys ये स्टेप फॉलो करके आप अपनी स्किन को और भी ज़्यादा ग्लोई और भी ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल दिखा सकते हो. नो वन इज़ गोना रिकॉग्नाइज इवन that this is a highlighter. Okay, so this is going to look so natural on your skin. If you wish you can also apply this on your eyelid. बहुत ज़्यादा ही नेचुरल मेकअप दिखा रही हूँ. So guys you can look at the glow on my skin. It looks like मैंने कल ही फेशियल करवाया है और आज जो मेरा फेस है वो काफ़ी क्या बोलते हैं गोल्डन ग्लो दे रहा है. लाइक इट लुक्स सो ब्राइट. आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग दिस कॉम्पैक्ट फ्रॉम कलाबार. It's a really nice compact guys. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है. It is priced at 995. बट ये थोड़ा सा कवरेज भी देता है. एंड आई फील दिस इज़ अ रियली नाइस कॉम्पैक्ट फॉर द पीपल हु डोंट प्रेफर टू वेयर फाउंडेशन और एनीथिंग ऑन देयर स्किन ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. एंड दिस गिव्स मैट फिनिश ऑल्सो. तो मैं इससे अपने फेस को ना सेट कर लूँगी, स्पेशली ऑन द प्रॉब्लम एरिया वेयर आई टेंड टू गेट लॉट्स ऑफ ऑयल एंड स्वेट. इट्स अ टी जोन एरिया. तो टी जोन एरिया पे ही सिर्फ पाउडर लगाएंगे और पूरे फेस पे पाउडर नहीं लगाना है हमें. डोंट फॉरगेट टू टैप लिटिल बिट ऑफ कॉम्पैक्ट ऑन योर फोरहेड. और आप देख सकते हो थोड़ी सी कवरेज भी दे रहा है ये मेरे स्किन पे, विच इज़ ग्रेट. But I'm going to show you if you dust off this powder underneath your eyes how naturally it will give you even tone. So yeah, I'll apply this in a dabbing motion. So guys, you can see the difference after using this compact powder. You can literally see how beautifully it has brightened my under eye area. You really don't need to use concealer and layer this makeup with lots of layer and lots of product. Eye area on the other side. Like if you want it, like if you have extremely sweaty face, then you can also use this powder all over your face. The only thing is this is like this gives really nice matte finish look to your skin. You can see slightly it has added coverage on my skin. So next it's time for blush, because we really need some color on the skin to look more fresh and beautiful. For blush here I'm using this beautiful nude lipstick from Nykaa. It's a beautiful lipstick. It's a cream lipstick. You can see how natural it looks on my skin. I mean this color is going to suit all different skin tone, dusky, medium, fair. Color जो है वो काफ़ी pigmented है, तो you can see. थोड़ा और use कर लेती हूँ. Little bit on the tip of my nose, little bit on my chin. Maybe I can just use it on my eyelid, little bit. जब भी मुझे मेरे फेस को कोई शेप देनी होती है तो मैं इस तरीके से ब्लश को अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ माई टेम्पल, एंड दिस विल मेक माई फेस अपीयर लिटिल बिट स्लिमर एंड लॉन्गर. तो आप ये भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. For my eyebrows I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Lakme. But firstly comb my eyebrows in downward direction so that I can have a clean space where I can draw my brows. This eyebrow pencil comes with a very precise tip which is perfect to create any kind of shape or fill in your eyebrows or just draw some strokes. Next I'll comb this in upward direction and then I will just match these lines. You can see my brows are not perfect. Doing eyebrows is like my personal favorite step. It suits my face. I haven't used any concealer, I haven't used any foundation or a BB cream, but still you can see my skin looks fresh, glowy. Now I'm going to be doing my lipstick, and before I fill in my lips, I'll outline my lips with a beautiful pinkish nude color. मैं corner to corner बहुत अच्छे से connect करती हूँ, and this makes my lipstick very long lasting as well. So if you want, you can just fill in your lips with the same lipstick, or you can just wear the same nude lip color. It's totally optional, like lipstick depends on your like personal preference. So to make my lipstick more long lasting, I'll firstly fill in my lips with entire lips with lip liner. जो भी मेरे फिंगर्स पे बच गया है वो मैं अपने आईलिड पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, कॉर्नर्स पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. इट्स ओके, यू कैन डू दैट टू. ठीक है, so we are done with the lip liner, and next I'm going to be wearing the same nude lipstick from Nykaa over this. I totally love this lip color. I think this goes well with my whole makeup look. Looks fresh, but let's try this one as well over it. So I'll apply only one coat. So guys, if you try this trick now, filling in your lips with lip liner first and then using a nude lip color, then that way the nude lipstick will look more flattering on your skin and it will not wash you off. क्योंकि कभी-कभी nude lipstick लगाने के बाद काफ़ी लिप्स जो है आपका वो अलग ही दिखता है, लाइक आपके मेकअप के साथ अच्छे से कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करता. It will wash you off. Like this will not happen if you wear a lip liner, especially whenever you do nude lipstick. Always go ahead and just outline your lips and then see how beautiful your nude lipstick will look on you. Next, I will curl my lashes and I will add mascara. So this mascara is from Sugar. This is Lash Mob Limitless Mascara, and it's a waterproof mascara, so you can use any mascara of your choice. It's not necessary all of these products that I'm using you have to use the same thing to achieve this look. Use whatever product in which you are comfortable in. There is no restriction, guys. There are so many products out in the market. Next, I'll just apply a really nice coat of mascara. Like I'll just go 2 coats at least. The most important, especially for the people who wear specs, आपको तो मस्कारा लगाना ही चाहिए. And with the same mascara tip, what I'll do, I'll just comb my brows also to set them. But guys, the lipstick is not like totally transfer proof, so I'll just take a little bit of compact and I will dust it in the centers. Now it's fine. Next, I will remove all of it. So I'm done with my hair. मैंने थोड़ी सी straightening करी है, and yeah, that's the final look. That's a complete look of super light makeup, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this light makeup, super quick natural makeup. और आप देख सकते हो कितना ज़्यादा natural और glowing है ये makeup. It's not too much we actually desire for natural makeup है. काफ़ी bright और fresh लग रहा है. You can see the lip color, you can see the beautiful like healthy flush of color that goes on my skin, and everything looks very natural and healthy. The main part about this makeup was it should look very natural, it has to be practical, it has to be quick, and it has to be like yeah, all those things. I hope आपको ये makeup look पसंद आई होगी. If yes, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And it's a beautiful makeup look that you can easily wear for your work, for your office. You can wear this makeup look for college. Maybe you can just add a little bit winged liner or kajal, or you can dress up and go for brunch with this makeup look. Nobody is gonna recognize that you're wearing a makeup. Even I come this much closer. You can see प्लस आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड एनी फाउंडेशन, एनी प्राइमर, कंसीलर, कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं किया, बीबी क्रीम भी यूज़ नहीं किया मैंने इस लुक में. एंड या आई लव दिस लुक. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, any suggestion, any idea, my Jazz fan, always feel free to comment down below. You can also follow me on my Instagram so that we all can stay connected all the time, and I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye. Bye.